this time we'll check how to delete transaction history on Cash App. So let's start. Well, Cash App is not available in my country. However, I will share with you some steps that you can follow for doing this. So the first one is, of course, open Cash App, launch the Cash App on your mobile device, and then go to the number 2, to your profile, tap on your profile icon in the upper corner of the screen. Then just go to settings. Number 3, let's tap on account settings from the menu. And then let's go to number 4, tap on contact support and follow the instructions to request the deletion of your account and transaction history. Number 5, explain your reason for requesting the deletion and provide any necessary screenshots or documentation. Just number 6, have to wait a response. Wait the support team to process your request and respond you. So if you follow these steps, probably you can delete the history transaction on Cash App without any problem. So I hope these steps follow you and helps you to do it. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.